Okay, what is this? Single wallet burns 76 million SHIB, while SHIB Inu becomes top purchased crypto among ETH Whales. Let's talk about this because we're seeing a SHIB and a whale in this picture right now. My name is Adam Shelton and thank you for watching this video today. The Captain, and this is ClearCryptos YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Now, burning in whale, buying for Shiba Inu, it continues. Now, SHIB made its name for itself, or it listed a top purchased cryptocurrency among 500 biggest ETH whales as burn rate for the most popular canine-themed cryptocurrency skyrocketing over 800% in 24 hours. All right. Okay. So then the dedicated SHIB Burn project, ShibBurn.com, recently reported that Shiba Inu community is set fire to a total of 128 million in separate transactions in the last 24 hours. So they want to burn a lot because it says so right here. Single wallet burns 76 million SHIB. Well, this one, it says 8 separations in the past 24 hours with this amount of SHIB. Now, in the past 24 hours, there's been a total of this burn 8 transactions. And I even have the website and everything like that. So a lot more Shiba Inu is being burned, or at least planned to be burned in the future. Now, Travis Johnson's SHIB superstore and one of the most mysterious wallets destroyed a record of 125 million SHIB in 2 separate transactions and are recognized as top SHIB burner of the day. As a result, SHIB burn rate skyrocketed 800% over the last day. So that actually makes sense why SHIB has skyrocketed over the past 24 hours and with the 800% increase. So I have a feeling going to be more SHIB being burned in the future. Maybe this thing might even skyrocket even higher. My name is Adam Shelton and thank you for watching this video today. This is the ClearCryptos YouTube channel. They're burning SHIB. I'm pretty sure they're going to be burning something else and other cryptocurrency. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you on the next video.